you have just finished watching a room tour for Cliffs at Peace Canyon in Las Vegas, this is a Vacation Village resort. This is the Vacation Village website. This resort is located in Las Vegas, and you can get more information about this resort by visiting the website. Cliffs at Peace Canyon provides information about the amenities, updated information about the resort's information on RCI. Any fees or additional charges can be found on the resort website. The RCI code for this property is 6389. This property is not available on Interval International, but sometimes can be found on SFX occasionally. And if you want to get an idea how far this resort is from the Strip, we have a map pulled up, and Cliffs at Peace Canyon is a little further out in Las Vegas than where the main attractions on the Strip are. And so you'll see that if you navigate from the Cliffs to the Bellagio, it's a 25-minute drive. So it's definitely recommended to rent a car if you're flying in, because Uber rides might be expensive depending on the time of day or any events that are in town.